Cold open. Dawn breaks, a morning star appears, not in the sky but on the trading charts, a beacon of hope for traders signaling a potential bullish reversal. This, my friends, is the morning star candlestick pattern. Picture a 3-day trading saga. Day 1, the bears rule, closing lower than the open, painting a long red candlestick. Fear grips the market. Day 2, confusion takes hold. The market opens lower, but the trading range is small, forming a doji candlestick. Neither bulls nor bears gain ground. Day 3, the bulls charge. The market opens above the previous day, closing significantly higher than the open. A long green candlestick shines bright. The morning star is born. Spot this pattern. Brace for a bullish reversal, but remember, no pattern guarantees success. It's just one tool in the trader's arsenal. Use it wisely alongside other indicators. Trading is not merely a game of numbers, but a test of strategy and patience. The morning star candlestick pattern, a beacon in the vast sea of trading. Until next time, happy trading.